Hey there, this is Teresa from the White Cat channel, and I have another recipe. Hopefully you'll like it. I kind of like it. It's a replacement for oatmeal using the Shirataki noodles. I have about 1 cup. I'm going to put it in my blender. And I'm going to take some water and just pour that in there. Probably about 1/2 cup. Maybe 3/4 of a cup. Let's go put our lid on. And then I'm going to pulse this until it actually looks like oatmeal. Shouldn't take too long, but okay, we're going to look at it and see what it did. There's still some long pieces in there, so I'm going to do a little bit more. It has to look like oatmeal. Yep, I think that's it. Yep. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Looks like oatmeal. So you can see the texture a little bit, maybe. Just like runny oatmeal. Okay, next I am taking some chia seeds. I'll probably put a good 3 tablespoons in there. And with most of my recipes, they're pretty fluid. You just do what you want. And then chia seeds, if you don't know what they are, they're a seed that forms a gelatinous covering around it, so it's basically soaking up any extra water that I got in here and thickening it up. And the longer it sits, the thicker it will get too, so keep that in mind. And then I also, this is just my personal preference, so however you make your oatmeal, I put some cream in mine. And I like cinnamon. If I had maple flavoring, that would go in there, but I don't have any right at the moment. And then for crunch, I took some slivered almonds and crushed them up a little bit. You can put as many of those in your mix if you want. And then I had some halved pecans that I broke up. Put those in there too. This recipe is loosely based on a chia pudding recipe that I got off the website, or not the website, the YouTube channel of this guy who does beet diabetes. And for him, it didn't raise his blood pressure at all. Of course, he didn't have the Shirataki noodles in there, but this is basically what he did. And let's see. And if you have any sweetener that you like to use, whether it's fake or real, you can just go ahead and put that in there too. And again, let it sit as long as you want. It actually tastes fairly good without any sweetener, you know, because of the nuts in there, but I usually add something. See, it's already getting thick. And I made it once with cocoa and a sweetener. I would have made it this time, but it doesn't really show up well on the camera. So I think I'm going to call it Chia Shirataki oatmeal, or I could do the tongue twister version, Chia Shira oatmeal. So anyway, I hope you enjoy that, and it'll just give you another way and reason to incorporate the Shirataki into your diet. Okay, again, this is Teresa from the White Cat channel. I'll sign off and let you guys get back to your day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.